Hey guys, I'm Tom from Mr. Poolman. Today, I'm going to cover the Water TechniX Leo pool pumps available from mrpoolman.com.au. The Leo pumps have been designed to be robust, reliable, and manufactured with high quality components to meet the demands of Aussie backyard pools. Both the 1 and 1.5 horsepower sizes are suitable for all pools and spas. The Leo pump is equipped with a 100% copper wound motor to improve the performance and reduce energy consumption. This also aids in keeping the pump running at a quiet 60 decibels. The Leo hair and limb pot is larger than common pumps, with an easy, open, clear lid and heavy-duty basket, ensuring maintenance is a breeze. With a small footprint, the Leo pump is suitable for in-ground, above-ground and plunge pools with a compact design to retrofit into existing pipework with minimal changes. A standard AU power lead and unions are included with the Leo pump for easy DIY installation. All Water TechniX pool equipment is backed by a factory warranty. We have years of experience helping pool owners just like you, providing free quotes and advice so you can decide on which option is best for your pool. The Water TechniX Leo pump will be right at home in any backyard oasis. Thanks for tuning in. If you have any questions, please drop us an email to support@mrpoolman.com.au. I'm Tom, happy swimming.